He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you
That's
know
my
he's here
Don't
to
just
stay.
stand there. Buster Posey.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys. So this is for Mike. He's got 2 of these. These are 2020 Topps Series 2 Jumbo. Well, let's see what happens. All right, we have Mike Trout, D. Gordon, Hank Aaron, Jacob deGrom, and Mookie Betts. Edwin Rios on top there. Ooh, look at that. Will Smith, rookie. Oh, hold on. Will Smith Rookie Cup. That should be to 50. Yeah. 16 out of 50 on the Will Smith Rookie Cup. Nice card. Jose Canseco. Christian Yelich 2030 insert. Now, all cards ship. Yours will have to go on a medium flat rate, but, you know, they all ship, so you'll get every single card because I'm not pulling out, you know, your rookies or anything like that. Adam Duvall, Phil Niekro, Mark McGwire, and Javier Baez. You've got a fake Joey Gallo, and the fake is 4 of 10. You've got a red 4 of 10 fake patch of Joey Gallo. Nick Anderson gold, King Felix. Wow, look at him. King Felix with the Braves. What the hell? Josh Hader, Matt Olson, and Aaron Judge. So, the Joey Gallo's to 10, bro. I don't really know, you know, exactly how I feel about that, but there it is. Whatever, right? Whatever. The Kopech Superfractor. I have no idea. I don't remember pulling a Kopech, but that doesn't mean I didn't do it. Juan Soto. Oh, that's the Home Run Challenge. Home Run Challenge, Juan Soto. A Daniel Norris Gold, Jack Mayfield Foil. And Nolan Arenado. Nolan Arenado. Tony Two Bags, Noah Syndergaard foil, Mike Trout, Bryce Harper, Albert Pujols. Shed long, shed wrong. Unfortunately, this is your auto. Sheldon Noose, rookie auto. Whatever. Chris Bryant, 2030. You got a gold and a foil. Ty Cobb, Cody Bellinger. Nothing really to write home about. Let's see if we can get you a patch, though. Get you a patch instead of just a regular old relic. How about that? Craig Biggio. That's pretty cool. Mike Trout. You got Craig Biggio. Short print. Corey Seager, relic to 99. No, to 199. I knew what I meant. Black bordered Corey Seager. And Austin Slater, advanced metrics. Mike Trout, that one's blue. Tony Two Bags and Ohtani. All right, last one. Last one. Let's get you another. Short print here. Get you a Lewis Robert short print. What do you say? I say yes. Oh no, but you did get a short print. You got Wade Boggs. Oh, this is the Red Sox Wade Boggs. I thought his short print was a Yankee. Yeah, Red Sox Wade Boggs. Cool card. Very cool. Brett Gardner, Rod Carew, Altuve, and Juan Soto. All right, nothing crazy in there, but you still do have the bonus pack, so I guess anything could happen there. All right, here we go. This is your next box. Look what I can do. You got Altuve. You got a cheater in your foil, and Pete Alonso. You know what? What would Phil say? Yeet. Don't worry, I'm not gonna yeet your Altuve. Ivan Nova gold and Joey Gallo. Francisco Lindor. No, I think short print ends in 15. Yeah, they were both 15s. Justin Verlander, Yamaguchi, foil rookie Wade Boggs, Alex Bregman's a cheater. We got a relic. Is it a... Yep, it's fake. Tony Two Bags. Got a fake Tony Two Bags. Kevin Newman, Future Stars. That one's a gold. Revved Up. That one's a foil. And Vladito. So yeah, look, Tony Two Bags. It's like, hey, this is fake. In case you were wondering. At least your other fake was to 10, right? Your other fake was to 10. Home Run Challenge, George Springer. George Brett, Tommy Canley. Joe Morgan. Bo Bichette. It's a futuristic rookie right there. You put your thumbprint on it, and a hologram comes out of the card. Yeah, here, I'll show you. Oh, it won't work. I got the sleeve on, but yeah, that's how those work. Harmon Killebrew. That's pretty cool. Another short print. Harmon Killebrew. Twins. Beria, George Foster, Tommy Glavine, and Gavin Lux. 2030 hologram rookie card. It's a better auto. Kyle Tucker. On card auto. Kyle Tucker. Not too shabby, to be honest with you. Even if he is an Astro. Derek Fisher. Tony Walters. Mike Trout. Andrew McCutchen. And Acuna. Three packs to go. Kendrick, Lance Lynn, Cal Ripken Jr., you got a Lewis Robert. Your relic is Chris Paddock. Chris Paddock. Mookie Betts, blue. Lorenzo Cain, gold. Lamont Wade. Nolan Ryan. And Lewis Robert. Fancy shiny 2030, where apparently there's going to be speckles. All right, last jumbo pack. Lewis Robert. Garrett Cole, foil. Brooks Robinson, Max Scherzer, and Fernando Tatis. Now, the best might still be to come here. You never really know what's going to be in these foil packs. All right, let's open these up. I did hit a red of this earlier, so there are definitely parallels in here. Eddie Murray and Juan Marichal. And pack 2. Oh, you got a gold. Gold to 50. St. Louis Cardinals. All gold there. And Alex Rodriguez. All right, you've got 4 of these. You ready? Hobby exclusive packs. Mendick, Mauricio Dubon, Sheldon Noose, and Noah Syndergaard. Nothing really in that one. What about this one? You've got Eloy Jimenez, not the White Sox you wanted. Hunter Harvey, Brandon Lau, and Roberto Clemente. That's a cool card. Okay, let's get you an auto. Any pack now, we'll hit you an auto. Couple rookies, Rizzo, Yamaguchi. All right, last pack. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it in this pack, boy. Oh, oh wow. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice, man. To 199. Damn. Cool card. I have no idea what it sells for, but that's probably your best hit. It just took me to the very last pack to find it, but that's probably your best hit. All right, so you've got Will Smith, Lewis Robert, Alex Rodriguez, the Cardinals, Juan Marichal, Eddie Murray, Lewis Roberts, Chris Paddock, Kyle Tucker, Gavin Lux, Harmon Killebrew, Bo Bichette, Home Run Challenge, Anthony Rendon, Toonie Two Bags, Wade Boggs, Austin Slater, Advanced Metrics, Corey Seager, Craig Biggio, Sheldon Noose, Home Run Challenge, and Joey Gallo to 10. Joey Gallo to 10. It's a nice rare card. I mean, it is. It's rare. It's just fake. They're fake. I hate the fake cards. I hate them. This one, though. This one I don't hate. Not hating on this one right here. This is pretty nice. Very, very nice. Okay. So, saving your video. Gonna get a photo of the card.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.